¿Qué pasó?
¿Qué pasó, Anthony?
What's happening?
Nada.
Chilling?
¿Eh? ¿Y tú?
Think I can hop up there? Of course. Let me see. No, I got bad back.
You young, man. You younger than me. You look
Am
like
I?
30s. You in your 30s.
I'm almost 50.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
What about the front?
Even more beautiful. Oh, somebody cut the grass. Whew. The one for the other side.
Ahorita te ayudo porque está bien pesado.
Can I walk up?
I put this one for the hand railing, but we're gonna cut it like this high.
Oh, okay, cool. That's not bad. Ooh, nice.
Anthony.
Oh, nice. Okay.
I just
It
gotta
work?
put the power on.
It don't work? Okay. Cool. Oh, yeah, that's nice too. Man, this looks good. It's real.
The fan.
I love it.
I told you it was gonna look nice.
It's not that low. Oh, we good. Yeah. Damn it, I keep forgetting the wood.
Oh, chinga.
The wood
Almost.
almost something. I'll probably have to bring these up. About right here, maybe. Oh. Nice. I like that fan. I got it on sale, $100.
Cheap.
Not
Cheap.
very, yeah. Nice.
And come here, your friend, your sink.
The brown one? Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Nice. Yeah, I did this. You like this light?
Yeah.
Little swirly swirl. You don't know nothing about that. That's stylish. I got the mirror too. I think I put it over here somewhere. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, but
Too big?
no.
Oh.
The thing is, when you bought it, you look at the back. One of the things it was missing. Really?
Oh, I'm gonna have to do a string.
I could get it out from there.
Oh yeah, it's missing over there. So you're gonna have to go the long way.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's cool.
Where you buy it from?
Menards. They the only ones that had the 36. It's 36 by 72. Much better up here. I need a light. That's what I need. Damn. I got the big bucket, because that's what I do. I look out for my people.
Oh shit!
I'm talking about 5 seconds ago. I got it on video. I like it. I don't know if Jerry was saying should it just be a balcony.
Go back here. Hey, why you didn't disappear on the dress?
My Shaq did that. I was saying probably put the steps going down the side.
Well, if you make it a deck, is you gonna close off these?
Yes. That means you can't. That means you can't walk out of it.
No.
But it's okay.
And you're gonna pass inspection, right? Because you got side door and front door.
Right.
No, I like a little deck idea.
I'm saying, but you understand what we're saying. Deck ain't gone. You can't. You know, you seen a deck upper deck?
That's fine.
It won't have no steps.
That's okay.
Okay. Keep bugging me. I'm gonna move in over here.
Well, you're gonna be here for a month, no? Before you start.
Yeah, maybe. A
Are you
month.
gonna be here for a month before you sell it?
Yeah, me and all my floozies.
That's what you out here spreading rumors about.
You know, me and all my pieces gonna hang out.
Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, come on over here for a month.
Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead and do that.
I am.
Yep.
Chill out here.
Work out for you.
Me and Jerry gonna have parties every day. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, Jerry? Well, he gonna change it. He changed up on me that quick. looks wet. It look wet to me. Let me see. Get my light. Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
The water's coming out from over there.
Huh?
The water's coming out from over there. In the main line.
What you mean?
Come here with your light.
So the water coming from that?
You see? You see how the water's running from here?
Oh yeah. So it's over there and it comes all the way over here?
Yeah. Well, good thing that we dig and then we see this right here. You know?
Right.
You was gonna pay a guy like $500 to come and take care of it, to look at it. But now you save yourself $500. You see?
Oh yeah. But it's, I don't know, but it sits over there. I don't know.
Yeah, because the floor, it goes like this. And it sits there. That's why it doesn't run over there.
Right. Well, yeah, because all that's dry, right?
Of course.
He said, of course. Yeah. Oh, don't be talking about me in Spanish, man. I know what y'all saying. I understood some of that. Where we going? To the back?
Yeah. So you can see your back is
Balcony. Nice. Ooh, beautiful. I like it. Put some plants out here. Flower, put your chair, just sit back, chill.
Get some from Home Depot.
Smoke a J with some chairs.
Get 4 plants from
Oh yeah, I am.
Put one in each corner.
Once everything's done, I'm gonna buy like probably 10 plants.
Yeah, front and back.
Some on the back. I'm gonna put some in the front room and in that little space upstairs. I'm gonna get a lot of plants. This is beautiful. Hermoso.
Allí, así como está.
Hermoso. I like it.
Ahí está. Right now.
The next house is probably gonna be small.
Yeah.
It's only like 900 square feet. But it's a tenant in there, so we gotta wait till she get out.
You already bought it?
No. Told him we can close once she move out. I don't wanna deal with that. Throwing away this good wood, man. Load it up. Looking real good. I like it.
$5 inches this way.
Correct. So, oh yeah. So it's gonna about be. Well, anyway, I'm gonna put whatever you cut. Yeah, over here, I guess. You're right. That's the only wall that might need.
¿Cómo se ve que no?
I had another piece too. Oh, I see it. I'm gonna put this over here somewhere. I might put it over here. Should fit. Yep. Boom. Give it a little corner shelf situation.
Perfecto, Anthony. Perfecto.
Yep. You know, try to get artistic with it. And then I'm gonna keep this tile. I wish I could find this one so I could fix it and keep it, but I don't think I can find that.
Cortamos solamente el agua. Anthony.
I'll use that too.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, I'll put it somewhere. Let me
Oh,
see.
I thought you said you use the same machine.
Oh no. I might put it over here or something. What y'all think? Perfect. Oh yeah, it's going right here, Jerry.
Right there.
Probably
you put it
actually.
this side too.
Let me see.
That way you got a big shell and small shell.
You're right. I like the way you think.
I learned it from you.
Trying to do like me, like that. Booyah. What y'all think? Yep.
Yeah.
I like it.
Remember, we got
Okay.
that too.
Hell yeah. All right, I'm gonna set it over here. Perfecto. Beautiful.
¿Quedó perro de Chucho? Fumando mota, mi vida se va. Entre las de viaja. Ay, ay, ay. ¿Va a echar mota o no va a echar mozo? Ah. 17